Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. Okay, now what I've done is I've soldered in 2 new diodes here on the high voltage rectifier board. So this one goes in here, these two go together. I've already soldered that in. I soldered this one right here. This one is not soldered, it's still loose. See, because now what I have to do is remove these. So that'll go right, the new one will go right there. So I'll cut these two. And then I'll cut this one. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll take my soldering iron and I'll clean this hole here. I'll clean this hole. Then I'll place these in like this. It'll go in a V shape, just like that. So this will go into here, like that. That's how they're gonna fit in. And I'll be back. I'm gonna do that, and then you'll see what it looks like. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc. Peace out.